What's up, Kingdom family? Welcome back to the Keys to the Kingdom, where we drop all the keys to the kingdom. Praise God. May the Lord bless you and keep you, okay, in His perfect peace. I'm feeling good. It is the top of the week, Monday. And your girl has some announcements. If you're new to the channel, join the royal family. Make sure you subscribe, all right? Because my faithful fam be over here holding it down. They be in the comments holding it down. They just be loving on me, holding it down. So listen, I have some announcements to shout them out. Okay, we got my girl MARTEEAH in the building. Woo-hoo! LLC, shout out to you for sowing a seed. I'm so grateful and I appreciate you. And JANESSA, hello JANESSA. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hi, love. And we got my girl TANYA in the building. Thank you. I love y'all messages when y'all send me seeds and just leave me little love notes. It's so beautiful and I appreciate it. I don't take anything for granted that, you invest into this ministry, the kingdom ministry. So me and Jesus, thank you. I have been writing your names down because I'm going to immediately by default add you to my prayer list because I love to pray over your seeds and I watch over the prayer to make sure things come to pass. Okay, so thank you, family. I love you. I appreciate you. Also, your girl found out she was global. Okay, listen, we got some international people tuning in. We got some people in Australia. Okay, Singapore. I hope I'm saying that right. Singapore. And Europe. The Europe family is here. Slovenia. Hold on. This is what I had to do, family. I was cracking up with Jesus. I was like, how do I pronounce this?
Slovenia. Slovenia.
Slovenia. You see, I need help because I was saying it wrong. And the Brooklyn accent don't make it no better. Slovenia. God is taking your girl to places she can't even pronounce. Can we? That's a testimony in itself, okay? That's a word in itself. I can't even pronounce the places where God is putting me, okay? Praise God. And then we got Switzerland in the building. So thank y'all for sharing where you're from. I appreciate it. I've been receiving emails of testimonies. I'm going to go through and read those. So I'm not going to shout you out now, but I have seen them and I thank you for sharing your testimonies. I love reading about it. I'm going to continue to read them and just write down some things that, I want to pray over, I want to cover, or just, again, show you some love, okay? Because I appreciate the love and I'm so thankful for all of you. And I'm happy that you're here with me. Whew. So that's it for the announcements, all right? Your girl done went global and the family is blessing the kingdom ministry. So thank you all. The message that God has for us today, I think it's a little funky. I think it's cute. I was laughing when he was showing me this. I woke up from several dreams and on different dates, right? And now he's actually letting me release them. So what you need to know is that some of your toilets, just stay with us. It's going to sound real crazy. But some of your toilets will overflow twice, right? So you might think that the maintenance person or even you have fixed the toilet the first time and then something happens again where the water is overflowing. It's coming up to the top and it's just slightly spilling over, right? And then another time it's going to be spilling over to the point where it's coming on the ground in the bathroom, but it's not damaging anything. Like you might have a rug in there, but it's not going to damage the rug or anything like that. It's just going to spill over to show you that there's some overflow happening, right? In other cases, you're going to be going to cafes. They're going to mess up your order. And when you tell them, they're going to remake your order for you without giving you a problem. It's going to be super easy, super quick, but they're going to be like, hey, keep that one, keep the other one, right? And so now you have two. You're going to have two things of what they messed up. Another thing, you might be at a restaurant. It's going to be a common place that you go to often, okay? And your order comes out and you know the size of this portion because you eat it all the time, right? You eat there all the time. Oh, I got some people in my background. Sorry about that. But anyway, you eat it all the time. And so this time when this portion comes out, it's going to be significantly bigger and larger than what you imagined. So you were shocked, right? You're going to be shocked like, whoa, what happened? Or what y'all did with the food? Who's the chef now? Because whoever cooking it up is cooking it up in a way that the portions are getting larger, okay? And you really won't understand the occasion or reason, but it's just going to be happening unexpectedly. And then another thing God was showing me was that some of you are going to start seeing loose change on the floor. It could be on the ground, it could be on a counter, it could be left on a table. Sorry, confidentiality. I'm such a counselor. I'm like, I don't want to have nobody in the video. But yes, you're going to start seeing nickels, dimes, and pennies, right? It's not going to be anything major. But what God is saying is these are going to be the signs that He's going to start showing you that your double portion is near. Okay? So He's going to start having you toilets overflow, cafes messing up orders, you're getting double drinks, you're getting larger portions of food, your finance change unexpectedly. These are the signs that you're going to start to see of him telling you, hey, your double portion is near. We are about to experience a double portion, okay? He said he will also be restoring your time. So anything that you feel like you have lost, anything that you feel like, oh my goodness, anything that you feel like, God, I just feel like time is drifting away and we are not where you said that we would be. God is saying, don't worry about the time. Don't worry about the time, because when it actually happens, you're going to notice how fast everything's occurring and everything's going to come at once. That's why it's so long. It's not like you're waiting and only one thing is going to happen. You're not waiting for a inch of something to happen. You're waiting and you about to see a whole field. You're waiting and you about to see a whole field of manifestation. Like, that's what I've been telling y'all. Y'all going to be eating. It's going to be harvest. It's going to be